Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix SKIL battery not charging, flashing red light jumpstart and recovery tutorial. Fix 1. Check the battery connection. Remove the battery from the charger, then wipe the battery and charger contact with a clean dry cloth. Then insert the battery firmly into the charger. Then check if the charging light changes. Second one is let the battery cool down or warm up. Remove the battery from the charger, then leave it at room temperature for 30 to 60 minutes. Put the battery back on the charger, then see if it starts charging normally. Third one is jumpstart the battery. Get another SKIL battery with the same voltage, then connect the positive terminal together and the negative terminal together using jumping wire. Then leave them connected for about 10 to 20 seconds. Then disconnect the wires. Put the battery back on the charger and check if it starts charging. Fourth one is reset the battery. Remove the battery from the charger, then press and hold the battery indicator or power button for 10 to 15 seconds. Then release the button. Put the battery back on the charger and check the charging light. Fifth one is check for battery damage. Remove the battery from the charger, then look for crack, swelling or burn marks. If the battery is damaged, stop using it. Replace the battery with a new one. Thanks for watching.